Hello, very good morning, my dear students. Today we can do the regular falsi method by calculator problem number 2. Already one problem I have solved it and video is already uploaded. This is second problem. To find the real root of x log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0. Correct to the 4 decimal places by applying the regular falsi method. Solution. Before giving the final solution, we have to plan for solution. The planning we have to do. The examiner asked you correct to the 4 decimal places. Adjust the calculator for the 4 decimal places. Calculator, I am using Casio FX 991 ES Plus calculator. On the calculator, you press the shift and mode button and then 6 button, that is a fix, and then 3 button. No, 4 button, it is a 4. Look here, 4, sorry, 3, not 3, 4. The 4 and AC means you adjusted the calculator for 4 decimal places. Okay, then. Okay, this is the adjustment of calculator for 4 decimal places. And then, my dear students, we have to find the real root of this expression, fx equal to x log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0. It's a real root we have to find out. We have to find out the real root of this by some other method, shortcut method, and adjust the, if you know the final answer, then you can make adjustment with the answer and write the answer required by the examiner. For that purpose, look here. Now, find the real root of fx equal to x log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0. Now, you bring this expression x log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0. You have to bring this, look here, you bring this expression on the calculator. You bring the calculator to the COMP mode and alpha x and log of x button is there. And there are two, ln and log x. Log x means to the base 10. ln means to the base e. Then log x minus 1.2 and alpha equal to means alpha, you have to press the calculate button, that is equal to 0. You have to bring this expression on the display of the calculator. Then you brought the display. Then very important text. Look here. Then after bringing this on the display of calculator, you press the shift and calculate button and equal to button. You are getting this value on the display of the calculator. And press equal to button 2.47406. And this is the actual required root. This is the final answer of this problem. Then required real root is x equal to 2.7406. This is the final answer actually. Now we have to show it to the, now we have to write the solution for examiner, you know. Now, in the solution, show that 2.7 lies between 2 and 3. We have to show that the root lies between 2 and 3 and lies nearer to 3. 2.7 is nearer to 3. Okay, 2.7 is nearer to 3. And what is 2. Nearer to 3 means what? The root lies between 2.5 and 3. Then show that it lies between 2.7 and 2.8. You have to show it to the examiner. It lies between 2.7 and 2.8. And then use the regular falsi method. X1 equal to f of b into a minus f of a into b and divided by f of b minus f of a. Okay. Now, my dear students, actually, I am writing the final answer required for the examiner. Look here, solution. Location of x of fx. F equal to x log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2. Okay, this is. Now, look here, you make a column like this. Then, see here, x and fx column. And one You know this already, you know 2 and 3, and their values also know, but the examiner should not think that you brought these values from your home and write here. Therefore, you write 1. 1, 2, 3. Then, look here. In the here, you press the mode button. Here, this how to do it on calculator, I am telling you. Mode button, you press the mode button and seventh button, 7. That is a table. Table. Okay. After pressing the 7th button, look here. Now, fx is coming. Fx is coming. And you write this expression here for fx. X log of x minus 1.2. You write here. And press equal to button. It asks start to end. Start. The start 1 equal to button. It asks end value. End value 3 you write. And equal to button. And then step it is asking. The step is between 1 and 2. What is the difference? 1. That is step equal to 1 and equal to button. Look here, these values are coming. This table is coming in display of a calculator. You write 1 minus 1.2 and 2 minus 0.597 and 3 0.2330. Look here, this is less than 0, this is greater than 0. Root lies between 2 and 3. You write here. See here, you mark like this. This is less than 0, this is greater than 0. Whenever f of a smaller than 0, f of b smaller than 0, f of a smaller than 0, f of b greater than 0, then always one real root lies between a and b. That is fundamental theorem of this algebra. Now, therefore, you write the root lies between 2 and 3 and lies nearer to 3. Look here. Here, 0.59. It is 0.23, which is less. 0.23 is less than 0.59. Therefore, root lies nearer to 3. Look here. If this is smaller, then root lies nearer to this. Now it is 0.59, it is 0.23. Then which is nearer to 0? 0.23 is nearer to 0. Therefore, root lies nearer to 3. Then root lies nearer to 3 means what? Look here. It is a 2 and it is a 3. This is 2.5. Root lies nearer to 3 means root lies between 2.5 and 3. That is nearer to 3. Now, that is root lies between 2.5 and 3. And locate the root between 2.5 and 3. Now, look here, my dear students, you make this a table. Now, fx. I want 2.5 starting. 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 3. Okay. Now, already the table is there. I told you, no, this fx value table is there. You go back, then again, you press equal to button. Equal to button means it asks value of x. In the same here, this is already there in display of calculator. You go back and bring this fx. Fx value already there. X log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 and press equal to button. It asks starting value. The start 2.5 and end value 3. And again equal to button, it asks step. Step is, look at 2.5, 2.6. What is difference? 0.1. 0.1 you write equal to button. The whole table is coming to you. Then you write 2.5, you are getting minus 0.021. 2.6 minus 0.12. 2.7 its value minus 0.035. 2.8 0.052. Look here, my dear student. This is less than 0, this is greater than 0. Root lies between 2.7 and 2.8. And 2.9, three values are there, simply leave them, not necessary for your calculation. Then root lies to 2.7 and 2.8. Then now you can use regular falsi method now. A equal to 2.7 and f of A, look here, f of A value is here, the minus 0.035. And this is the B value, 2.8, and f of B value, this is the 0.052. And put these values in the, look here, in the formula. By the regular falsi method, x1 equal to f of B into A, f of A into B, f of B minus f of A. And you put f of B 0.052, 2.7 minus 0.035 and B value 2.8 and divided by f of B value 0.052 and minus f of A minus 0.035. Now you calculate this value. For calculation of this also you can do it in calculator. That same expression used for the second iteration also. Look here. You bring the calculator to the COMP mode and division button. Look here. One circle divided by other circle. And you bring this and alpha A, alpha B, minus alpha C, alpha D. And divide, you bring the cursor to denominator, alpha A minus alpha C. You bring this expression on the calculator. And you press the calculate button. It asks value of A, B, C, D. Look here. This is A, 0.052, B, 2.7, and C, minus 0.035, D, 2.8, and equal to. You are getting this value. Look here, this value, look here, 2.742 value you are getting. This is x1, 2.7402. And fx equal to f of 2. X1 value is what? 2.7402, 2.7402 equal to. Look here, you bring already in calculator, you brought this expression. You go back in the calculator, you bring this expression. X log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2. You bring that expression on the display and press the calculate button. It asks value of x. Then you enter this value, 2.7402. You are getting this value. Okay. Now, this is earlier A value minus, look here, minus value. This is also minus 0.03035. It is 0.004. Means this value is smaller than this. Now this becomes new f of A and this is A. Now therefore A equal to 2.7402 and f of A equal to, this is new value of the f of A. Then you write again the regular falsi method formula, x2 equal to f of B into A minus f of A into B divided by f of B minus A. And already this is entered there, AB minus CD divided by AC. And go backward in the calculator, you bring this expression. Then, look here, you entered all the values. Now, this is A, this is B, this is C, and D. Look here, in this, you bring this expression and calculate button. It asks value of A. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, equal to 2.7406. Then, x2 becomes 2.7406. And f of x2 means f of 2.7406. Now, look here, already this fx value is already there here in the calculator. You go back in the calculator, you bring this expression on the calculator display and calculate button, you press it. Then it asks value of x. You enter this value, 2.7406. Then you are getting 0, 0, 0. 0.000 means 0. This is RHS. The examiner asks you, this is RHS value. Look here, therefore x equal to x2 equal to 2.7406 is a required root. Look here, this is a in the problem itself they have given. Look here. See here. X log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0. You got the 0 and therefore you got the final answer. Okay. Now, in this way, you have to answer this and wish you good luck. in examination. My dear students, have a nice time. Good day.